You know you should be posting content. You know video works. But every time you sit down to create something, you stare at a blank screen. An hour goes by, then two, and eventually you close the tab with nothing to show for it. Meanwhile, your competitors are posting every day. They're getting the clicks, the leads, the clients. They're becoming visible, and you're not. So what's the difference? They're not working harder. They've built a smarter system, one that uses AI to do the heavy lifting. In fact, the video you're watching right now was created with a human plus AI team, not a massive agency, not a full-time staff. And I'm about to show you the exact 5-tool stack that lets solo entrepreneurs outpace entire marketing teams. Tool number 1, Perplexity, your research shortcut. Before you write anything, you need to know what's already working. Perplexity searches the live web and cites sources in real time. Ask it, what are the top pain points for my audience right now? In under 30 seconds, you've got content ideas you could use for the entire month. Tool number 2, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, your conversion copywriter. This is the tool that helped shape this script. Claude doesn't just generate words, it understands intent, tone, and persuasion. Feed it your research, and it turns raw ideas into scripts that sound human and actually hold attention. Tool number 3, Video Launcher, you're done for you. Video team. This is where most people get stuck. You've got the idea, maybe even the script, but turning that into a video that looks professional, that's where consistency dies. This is the system I use to stay visible without burning out. You send the Video Launcher team your script, or even just a rough idea, and within 72 hours, you get a polished, platform-ready video with captions, B-roll, and music. It's a true human plus AI workflow, high-end results without agency pricing. If you want to stop saying I should post and actually start showing up, check out videolauncher.net. Tool number 4, MidJourney, your visual engine thumbnails, branded graphics, visuals that stop the scroll. MidJourney creates them in seconds. Yes, it runs through Discord. No, you won't care once you see the quality. Tool number 5, Notion AI, your second brain. This is where everything lives: scripts, calendars, ideas. Notion turns messy brain dumps into organized action steps, so nothing gets lost and nothing lives only in your head. Here's the truth. These tools don't work if you don't use them. The difference between the people watching this video and the ones actually growing their business isn't talent or luck, it's execution. So here's your next step. Subscribe, because in the next video, I'm breaking down the exact workflow I use to create 30 days of content in a single afternoon. And if you're serious about getting consistent, go to videolauncher.net. Your first video could be done in 72 hours. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but only if you actually step in and create. Which tool are you testing first? Drop it in the comments.